Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Sid Tech, and today I have the Lenovo Cardio Plus Smart Band or Fitness Band with me. It is priced at 1999 Indian rupees, but as you can see the price quoted on the box is 2999 rupees, and this is a new smart band by Lenovo, and I've used quite a few smart bands in the past. I currently have a Mi Band HX edition. I have the Honor band and I have two Intex bands too. So let's see if this band is any good and will it be able to compete against Mi Band 2 and the Honor band also. So this is the packaging, and the packaging looks good. It's compact, and as you can see at the box it says it has 7 to 8 days of battery life. I will have to test that out because battery life is one of the most important factor of a fitness band. You also have a heart rate monitor, and you can track your daily activity and sleep tracking and all the stuff you can do with a fitness band. It is also IP68 water resistant, and the model number is HX03W. There are 2-3 models of the Lenovo Cardio Plus Smart Band. So this is the packaging, and let me just take out the band. I will keep the band to the side for now. Inside we have the leaflet which no one reads, and what's this, other paperwork, and do we have anything here? No. How to remove the strap and charge, please refer to the manual. Okay, so you can refer to the manual to have this charged, etc. And I will just peel that off. Definitely one of the most good looking fitness bands out there. This is the button, and I guess one out of, yeah. So as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see or not. Yes, there's open written, so you can just I guess push it out. So as you can see, like this, it can open and you can charge the smart band via any USB point. I think it's a good way, but taking it out is a job. This is a really smart way of charging a smart band, a fitness band. I'm really happy that Lenovo has done that, but I feel it is really difficult to take this thing out. So let me just charge it a bit and then we can continue. I will just bring my power bank in, and as you can see the band has started. So it is charging right now, and this is how the interface looks. Let me just check. So it is showing low battery, and I'm not sure if it's working currently or not. Okay, so let it charge for some time and then we will continue. So this is the Lenovo app and this is the smart band. I hope this logs in. Okay, so here I can set my name, gender, birth date, height, weight. I can, and that's target 10,000 steps. I've also set 10,000 steps as my target for the Mi Band HX edition. Okay, so let's connect, and as you can see immediately it shows my band. I can just tap on here and I get an haptic feedback here and Bluetooth icon. Tap on the band. Okay, I did, and that's cool. It has been connected. So as you can see it has been connected. Let me just increase the brightness a bit. Yeah, so right now it is showing me 0 steps because I have not used it. And let me check what else. So battery percentage is 57%, and I charged it for around 20 minutes, so 57% in 20 minutes is not that bad. I really like to see how well the battery life performs. So yeah, it was simple to wear and it is comfortable. That is good. Okay, so okay, so now like this it will show time, battery percentage and the date. Let me just tap and Okay, so I have to tap again. That's the I don't think we have anything else. Okay, how I can measure heart rate, I'm not sure. So I'm trying to, okay, yeah, so I have this, that's sports, that's steps, that's heart rate. Let me check my heart rate now, and it is now testing my heart rate. Okay, so it is showing 71. That is not bad. It's a bit low, I guess. 71 is a bit low, and these fitness band, as I've said many times before, are not that perfect or accurate in terms of heart rate sensor, but okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. I will test this out more, the heart rate sensor, and will be definitely comparing it with the Mi Band HX edition. I also have the Honor Band A2, which comes with a heart rate sensor. I will have a definite comparison with that too. And if you guys want, I will compare it with the Intex Fitness Cardio too, but I don't think it is worth it because Fitness Cardio is kind of old. And this in terms of looks, I really like this one. It is also water resistant. I will drop some water in my review video. And yeah, so overall I don't like the app. So I guess Xiaomi's app is the best in terms of the fitness band apps. Honor Band app is also okay-ish, but this app really sucks for starting, and I hope it would get better with updates, and I will tell about it in my upcoming video. So this is guys from this video. This is the first time I've tried live talking, you can say. I'm not doing any voiceover, maybe some parts, that depends upon how well this goes. I will check that in post. So this is the first time I'm recording live while I'm doing the voice live while shooting the video, so bear with me if I've made some mistake, and let me know how do you think about this. Is this good, or the voiceover compact part is better? Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also do press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. This is Siddhant signing off. Keep smiling.